Today I'm just gonna get real with you guys. It is a Sunday and tomorrow my best friend and I are starting Beachbody's 80-day obsession. That is 80 days of eating right, eating healthy foods and not all those bad foods. That's 80 days of working out, except for like Sundays you don't really work out, but besides the point. This is gonna be difficult because I love ice cream. I love dessert, like I have a dessert stomach, but I just feel like I've never really liked my body that much. And I feel like I always judge myself, always looking in the mirror, probably checking myself out in all the mirrors and thinking, you know, this could be skinnier, this should be more toned, or I can't believe this. And even working in news, TV news, and everyone, you always hear that the camera adds 10 pounds. Sometimes I think that's true. Like I look at myself and I just feel like I'm a football player sometimes with shoulder pads on or something like that, that I just don't look as good as I would like to look. And I'm not saying that I do look bad, hi Fred, but just want to do this for myself and see if I can actually do this. And I am a very competitive person that I think I will do pretty well. I already know there are a few times that I will probably cheat on or just bend the food a little bit. Fred's gonna play with his toys, which we'll get to that whole Fred scenario in just a minute. But that's gonna be a bridal shower that I'm helping plan, and already have like Rice Krispie treats with like frosting on them and everything else. It just sounds amazing right now, especially because I'm hungry, but beside the point. And then my brother's wedding. So yeah, that means no alcohol during those times either. I just gave away my boxed wine to some coworkers and said, you just take it. I don't need it here. I have some in my fridge, but that's not gonna tempt me at all. I have one more thing of ice cream. I'm gonna eat ice cream tonight before I start eating healthy tomorrow. And probably gonna have some frosting and graham crackers because whatever. For dinner tonight, probably gonna have noodles and butter and lots of Parmesan cheese, or maybe even a frozen pizza. I don't know. Maybe the frozen pizza, because then I can get it out of here. But then I have a whole thing of like French fries, and I'm pretty sure that does not fit in my food prepping. And food prepping, I spent like 3 freaking hours prepping food today, and it's food I don't even want to eat. I'm looking at it, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna be so healthy, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm already kind of dreading it, because with my job I don't always know if I'm gonna have access to a microwave, because if there's breaking news, I'll get sent out, and I don't have a microwave in a news car or anything. So I'm thinking of all these different ways that I can still get in all these meals, because you're supposed to eat like every 2 to 3 hours. So that's gonna be fun. So I have like celery in like a half of a tortilla, and Greek yogurt, plain 2% Greek yogurt that tastes disgusting. I personally think, unless like I used to for breakfast, I would put like berries and honey and some granola in it. Well, I can't do that. That's not in my plan. So until I figure out how to make that work, it's just gonna be plain Greek yogurt. And I'm probably gonna gag when I'm eating that. And that is 7 days. I had to plan for 7 days. Already screwed up because I ran out of celery. Whatever. So I'm excited though. I'm excited to see what my results look like, especially if I stick to this program, which I plan on doing. And we're just gonna kind of see where it goes from there. And I'm excited that I have a friend who's going to do it with me, that we are going to push each other and just be our own support system, and you know, maybe share some of those meal plans. She already was sending me a Snapchat of what she was eating this week as she was going to meal prep, and I'm like, wow, that looks really good. I feel like I need to switch my food up next week. Obviously my dinners are pretty much going to be the same that I have been having. I'm having chicken and sweet potatoes, mashed sweet potatoes, and Brussels sprouts, and a little thing of butter. What my plate would look like before this week was like all of those foods, but a lot of those foods. So we're just gonna see. And when it comes to working out, that's what I'm saying. Fred is playing with his toys right now that he was already trying to chew on, actually, some of the weights that I just bought. They're really cute pink ones, but he thought it was a dog toy, and they're on the floor right now, so I'm pretty sure he's probably trying to chew on those. But good luck picking up those 5-pounders, Fred. But my living room is not that big, and he likes to play with his toys, and those workouts are like 30 to 60 minutes, so I don't know, he's gonna get in the way, but it is what it is. I'm excited for this. And if you guys have done Beachbody's 80-day obsession, let me know, leave me a comment, share some support, maybe even some of those meals that have helped you get through this whole journey. And if you haven't, join the 80-day obsession, Beachbody's 80-day obsession, and let's get obsessed about our health, what we're putting into our bodies, and working out. And give this video a like, leave me some comments, and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to try to get real with you guys every Sunday, and especially after this first week, because I have not worked out in like 2 or 3 weeks. So it's gonna be fun, and it's gonna be difficult, but I'm ready.